Hello friends, welcome to Barbie's Craft. Today I'll show you how I make glutathione whitening soap as requested by a friend. We have olive oil. This time we're going to weigh the olive oil. Next is rice bran oil. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you. Virgin coconut oil. Next is castor oil. This time, we have finished weighing the liquid oils. Then, we're going to weigh the hard oil, which is cocoa butter, then melt it using a double boiling method. We have this cocoa butter which I bought from Mindanao. The price is fair enough. This is also food grade, which you can use for making chocolates, candies, or any other food products. Once melted, we're going to mix it with the liquid oils. Slowly pour the melted cocoa butter into the liquid oils to avoid bubbles. Then, stir the mixture to ensure the oils are well blended. Keep on stirring the oil mixture until it's cool enough. Be sure that the oil mixture and lye solution are at room temperature. Slowly pour the lye solution into the oil mixture. Keep on stirring to blend the mixture. Slowly pour the other ingredients and stir. We have a titanium dioxide dissolved in water. This serves as colorant to whiten the soap and also as sun protection. Then pour the glutathione into the mixture. I use about 4 capsules of glutathione. Stir again until the powder is incorporated. Next is the kaolin clay, dissolved in fragrance oil. Scrape everything. We're not going to waste the fragrance oil. Then stir. Keep on stirring until everything is well blended. Use a stick blender to reach medium trace. If you reach the right consistency, it is ready to pour the mixture into the soap molder. Slowly pour the mixture into the molder and tap to release bubbles. We don't like bubbles, as it results to hole in the soap. You may design the surface of the mixture, or you may leave it simply plain depending on your preference. Insulate for 24 hours. This is the result after 24 hours. Remove the soap from the molder and cut according to your desired size of the soap. Slowly remove the soap from the molder. We don't like any deformities on our soap. This is the most satisfying part, the cutting. I love cutting the soap. After cutting, the soap needs to be cured for 4 to 6 weeks before using. Thank you for watching. Watch out for more soap videos.